I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today we're looking at masculinizing without surgery, and today's topic is what is packing. So we've already covered chest binding and trans tape, and these are two ways to create a male chest contour. But today we're going to look at packing. And packing is the way to create a male appearing contour in the crotch to simulate the appearance of a penis. And this can be done for appearance, both to make yourself feel more confident in your own body, but also to convey that you are male to other people around you. It can be used for peeing, and I'll show you that in a second, and also for sexual play and pleasure. Now, people will often start with socks or with cloth or other clothing garments to experiment with making a packer to see what size and positioning would work best for them. You can actually get a knitting pattern or a crochet pattern to make your own. If you search FTM knit packer, there's a site called Ravelry, which has a lot of free patterns that people can use. Etsy.com has tons of different things that are available in the form of packers and other products that help people masculinize. A packer can be tucked into underpants, or you can get special underpants or a support strap to hold the packer in place. You can also buy forms, and you can find these in a variety of trans-friendly sites. Let me give you some examples. There's Trans Guy Supply, the Trans Tool Shed, Trans Essentials, FTM Essentials, Transwear, and of course Etsy has plenty of things that will help an individual who's trying to masculinize. These devices, these forms, simply occupy space in the crotch, but they can get a lot more elaborate. Let me show you what I mean. We have, for example, something called a stand to pee device, which allows a person to pee through the device standing up, and they come in a variety of styles. You can see at the bottom there, at the bottom right, there's a purple set, and this is basically something that people can use when they're trying to pee in the woods. It's used by both females and by males. If you're using an STP device to start peeing regularly in everyday use, here's a good bit of advice that somebody told me, and that is practice in the shower until you're very confident using the device. Sounds like a good tip. For very elaborate packers, search transguysupply.com, ftmessentials.com, gendercat.com, toolshed.com, and many others.